How to make it is like simple flower. Starting by you making magic ring. Then 5 plus single crochet concept this la magic ring. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You pull it tail blur up here, close the magic ring blue. Now slip stitch cancel the first plus stitch you make it. Then chain 1. Go back and insert the same plus stitch you slip stitch here, making 2 plus single crochet again. Next one, 2 plus single crochet, so I got a stitch rounding by making 2 plus single crochet concept low, 1 stitch. You're starting on them 5 plus single crochet, this is the second round, but you got 10 plus single crochet stitch. Counting, make sure you got 10 plus. Slip stitch concept of first plus stitch here. Now you cut your rope blue. But you make a slip knot on the white rope blue here. Now attaching concept of first plus stitch you make a slip stitch line here. One plus slip stitch. Now by you chain him 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to next stitch. Slip stitch concept of the first stitch. Make sure you make work go on top the slot and tail blue here. Then chain 10 can. Slip stitch concept next one. Next stitch. Chain 10. Slip stitch concept next stitch. Chain 10. Slip stitch concept next stitch. Chain 10. Slip stitch concept next stitch. Chain 10. slip stitch, go to the next stitch, slip stitch, go to the next stitch, chain 10, slip stitch, go to the next stitch, chain 10, slip stitch, go to the next stitch, chain 10, slip stitch, go to the first stitch you started, then cut the rock green and you finish now. Flower blue and come up.